Well, Jamie and I are going to go flying today, but we're waiting on the thunderstorm to pass. A little lightning, heavy rain, although it's starting to taper off now. Not necessarily conducive to flying. We'll wait it out and see what it looks like on the backside. Hopefully we'll get a shot.
Aurora Municipal Airport, Chicago, Aurora, Illinois. Automated weather observation 0115 Zulu. Wind 230 at 08. Visibility 10.
Nice.
Thunderstorm in vicinity. Light rain. Sky condition few 1,900. Scattered 2,400. Scattered 6,500. Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 21 Celsius. Altimeter 2983. Remarks lightning distant all quadrants. Density altitude 1,700.
Here we are, taxiing out after waiting on that brutal rainstorm. That sucked. Well, we're gonna have to go west around that. Yeah, we'll just head west towards Rochelle and we'll just go around that corner. You see where the sun is shining bright? That's only like 5 minutes away. Alrighty guys, we'll talk more in the air. We're just trying to beat sunset and any more weather that's coming. We're taxied out for 27 here at Aurora on our next trip. Gonna do a quick run up, we'll be back. Aurora traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is departing runway 27 to the northwest, Aurora.
There's a couple right there on a motorcycle, right behind us.
Oh, that's funny. Alright, don't see anybody. Runway's clear. Seatbelt's good?
Yeah.
Some lightning just north of us in that cell.
Yeah, I
But
can
it is
see
clear,
like
no building.
everything that is depicted on my radar. I can see clearly. That one, we had to go through that one and that one.
Yeah. So there we go, throttles are up to 1700, gauges in the green, everything's looking good. We're gonna release the brakes. And making good fuel flows, engines are in the green, airspeed's alive, 60, 70, 80, 90, rotate. Tap the brakes. Gear coming up. And we're climbing that blue line. Yaw dampers coming on. Yeah, that's that last shower that we gotta dodge.
Yeah, that was a lot of rain. Look at these fields.
I need some airflow. Alrighty, fuel pump's coming off. That was that stuff I thought was fixed.
They didn't fix that at all.
Well, we thought we did. We found a problem, so. Alright, your weather's displaying now.
Rockford approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie.
We're going to Portage, Wisconsin. It's
Altitude.
Charlie 47.
771 Bravo Charlie, Rockford approach, altimeter 2980, say request.
771 Bravo Charlie, Cessna 310, about 6 miles west of Aurora. Looking for a flight following to Portage, Wisconsin. It's Charlie 47. We're climbing out of 2,800 for now.
1 Bravo Charlie, squawk 5317.
5317, 1 Bravo Charlie.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, just be advised, I got a bunch of Midway guys coming through the Joliet VOR from the west, descending at 5,000, so just 3,500 if you can.
We cannot.
1 Bravo Charlie, we're not going to be able to do that to maintain VFR. We're actually coming up to 6,500. We're out of 4,200 for now. Just keep us advised on the traffic, please.
1 Bravo Charlie, roger. Can you fly heading of 270 for now and maintain VFR?
Okay, you take
1 Bravo Charlie, unable. We've already turned to the north now. We're on a 360 heading, and we're in a hole between clouds at this time.
Bravo Charlie, copy.
Hey, so they're descending to 5, right? I mean, we're not even like... There's Rochelle. We're just barely on their airspace. I don't see anything on the traffic. This looks great, babe.
Yeah, this is going to be good.
You like it?
Southwest 193, fly heading of 200, vectors for traffic, 12 o'clock in 20 miles northbound, Twin Cessna, 4,600 climbing.
Oh, that hurts. That hurts my feelings.
So 1 Bravo Charlie, traffic, 12 o'clock, 20 miles, opposite directions, Boeing 737, 7,000, descending to 5,000.
1 Bravo Charlie, we'll be looking.
Howdy guys, sorry that was kind of a busy departure out there. We got weather to contend with. It was storming right on us. We pulled the plane out and got out of there. But our friends Laura and John invited us to their lake house, so we're gonna buzz up to their lake house real quick, have fun for the night, and hopefully we'll be able to show you guys some fun times on the lake.
And her name is Laura.
That's what I said.
It says Laura, like Mike Lowry.
Laura. I have a brutal headwind, so I'm running her just a little bit harder than I normally would. But we're making 160 knots, so we have about a 20 knot headwind. Sun is setting, and after I did the maintenance at them where they added this switch, my lights have now busted, so I do have all my other lights, but I'm I'm in love with my under console lights. You guys know that because you've been seeing me fly at night, but I also have this trusty night thing, and I've got the floodlight up top, so we'll be good there. We'll be landing in about 30 minutes. That stuff was brutal, and I feel bad. The guy wanted to vector us, but we were pot committed at that point. We have our own VFR cloud clearance requirements, and we have our own personal safety to worry about.
Approach altimeter 2981, descend and maintain 1000.
And that was exactly why we went VFR, not IFR. Because whenever there's weather like that, they bring arrivals in from goofy directions, IFR, and
they get worried about you getting in the mix with that.
Number 771 Bravo Charlie, contact Madison, approach 120.1.
120.1, 1 Bravo Charlie. Blah, blah. Madison approach Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie. VFR descending from 6,000 to 4,500.
November 771 Bravo Charlie, Madison approach, Madison altimeter 29er, 79er, advise prior to descending below 4,500.
1 Bravo Charlie, Wilco.
Class Charlie. Hopefully they don't try to vector us if we start descending.
Back cargo 1469, contact tower 119.3. Say
Bye.
Cargo 1469, going to 119.3.
Nicely done. 19 minutes.
Pappies and Bassies are like sort of the same thing?
A pappy is the 4 dots, and 2 red, 2 white mean you're on, 3 red, 1 white means you're slightly low, 3 white, 1 red
Yeah, I
means
thought
you're
that was
slightly
Bassies.
high. That's pappy. Precision approach path, and then a Vassie is just red over white. If it's red over red, it's just like 2 little bars. If it's red over red, you're low, and if it's white over white, you're high.
So a Vassie has 2 lights and a Pappy has 4?
Yeah.
And a Vassie is vertical and a Pappy is horizontal?
Yep. That is all correct.
I have the same principle.
Yep. Put you on glide slope.
And this airport has pilot controlled lighting?
Yes.
2001 Bravo Charlie, got time for a question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, my buddy's wondering if you're going to be around for the weekend.
We're heading up to a lake house in Portage, Wisconsin, I think. Charlie 47 is where we're going.
Y'all familiar with it?
Competition at Maury tomorrow if you're interested. Stole competition, I should say.
Oh, I'm sorry, I blocked you. Say that again?
There's a stole competition at Maury tomorrow if you're interested.
Where's that at? The identifier?
Charlie 29.
C29, what time does that start?
10 a.m.
Oh, I see it, just straight west there, about 8 miles off my left wing.
That's the one.
Hey, thanks for the invite. Oh, that was nice.
Did you say snow competition?
Yeah, short takeoff and landing competition. At Maury is what he said. That's pretty cool. That was nice.
That was very nice.
And you want to ask for lower?
November 1 Bravo Charlie, altitude is your discretion.
1 Bravo Charlie, thanks.
Read our minds.
Boom.
Helicopter 511 Uniform Whiskey. Went off the pad at Divine Savior just east of the field. Will be northbound. Portage area traffic.
And that last column, was that at Portage?
The helicopter.
Affirmative, helicopter coming off the pad at Divine Savior just the east side of Portage.
Okay, roger that. Thank you, sir. Yeah, we're still 20 miles out in the Twin Cessna. Thank you.
Okay, should be a vacuum.
We should be able to see it about now.
What
We're
are the
14 miles away.
What are the winds?
Calm, just slightly out of the south.
Well, then why are you going to land on 1-8?
Because they got up happy for 1-8, and that way when I'm on downwind I can see the airport.
Okay.
November 1 Bravo Charlie, I don't have any traffic for you between you and Portage. Radar services terminated. Squawk VFR for the change group. Good night.
1 Bravo Charlie, Squawk and VFR. Have a good night.
Should be straight off the nose, babe.
Is it? I see it.
Okay, I trust you. Oh, I do see it now. Nicely done. And so they are on. Portage traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is entering a left downwind for runway 18 Portage. Ten degrees of flaps coming in. Portage traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is turning left base for runway 18 Portage. You just keep it inside, I'll keep everything else good.
I got it.
I don't see the Vassies yet. Portage traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is turning final runway 18 Portage.
You see it right on the other side of I see the Vassies. You see it right on the other side of the,
I do.
Okay. Or Pappies, I mean. There's one red, one white.
That's perfect. Portage traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is final runway 18 Portage. Nice.
That was a good one.
Landing lights, babe. They look good. Alright, you gotta find John's plane.
Okay. Can you turn this off?
Yeah.
Can't see. Oh, are there 11 o'clock there?
Looks like it. Well, welcome guys, we made it.
Yay! Let the lake shenanigans begin.